How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith here in San Antonio. We're making a key or fob, that's a push start for this Chrysler 200. Just want to show you how to program it. It's already, of course, has the parts right now. Nothing happened. Yes, it doesn't do nothing. Let's see. It's supposed to be simple if the part is correct. First, let's extract the pin code. 56553. 5 numbers because this is a field system. Add the key. Press unlock one time and press continue. Okay. Press unlock. Successful. Let's try. You want to move keys? No. Okay, let's try. This is lock unlock. Let's try to start. No? What's up? Yes. Okay, it did start. So that's basically it. Thank you again, Sam, Expert Locksmith. Let me show you the car. Okay, so this is the car. Thank you again.